Do you know? Biological cells can talk to each other. Cell language not only exists between cells. Soluble proteins and polypeptides have a working mechanism similar to language. Moreover, inside cells, the nucleic acid coding mechanism of proteins and polypeptides is similar to the machine language coding principle of computers processing human language. The machine language of computers is based on binary, while the nucleic acid coding in cells is ternary, that is, the triplet code. Although ternary is not easy to be implemented by current electronic technology, cryptography theory has long proved that it contains an error detection code and is the most perfect coding mechanism in nature. The implementation of the Human Genome Project will help us completely decipher all the information stored in the nucleic acid triplet code and enable humans to have the ability to modify or create genes. However, gene coding is just like computer assembly language, which is difficult to understand and edit. But if cell language can be finally deciphered, it is equivalent to a high-level language of computers. We will be able to artificially synthesize special proteins and polypeptides and create cell language. This can not only promote the effective implementation of the Human Genome Project, but also the synthesized cell language is more direct and can be used to have a direct dialogue with cells and regulate cell functions. Due to the extensive development of cell culture, synthesizing special cell language can also command cultured cells in vitro to perform biological functions according to the wishes of researchers or prepare bioactive substances, making it convenient to regulate the functions of biological cells. In a broad sense, the introduction of exogenous genes also belongs to the category of human cell dialogue. Biological cells are currently the smallest and perhaps the most powerful microprocessors, with 23 pairs of hard disks and huge memory. By connecting to peripheral devices through a certain interface, the natural microprocessor can work for humans. Or, connecting biological cells to existing computers through peripheral devices will greatly increase the working ability of existing computers and make the dream of biological computers a reality. Nature has created biological cells with various specialized functions. Deciphering cell language and conducting human cell dialogue will create inestimable material benefits for humans. Plant cells are very efficient in using solar energy. Through photosynthesis, they produce the chemical molecule ATP. ATP converts chemical energy into electrical energy through a certain mechanism and maintains the cell membrane potential of plant cells. Using human cell dialogue to guide cultured plant cells in vitro and extracting the cell membrane potential in a certain way may lead to the production of an inexhaustible plant biological light power source, providing an ideal way to solve the energy problems facing humanity.